Hey everybody, my name is Janelle Ariona and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is July 8th. It's a Wednesday and it's currently, do you know what time it is? It's currently 9:34 p.m. Me and my lovely fiance are gonna be driving to New York in the morning. 9 hours. In 9 hours we will be trekking 7.5 hours to New York, and he'll be there with me and then he'll be leaving me there and then I'll be there by myself. Hi, this is Janelle from the future. I realized as I'm editing that I either lost or accidentally deleted the clip where I was explaining why I'm going to New York in the first place. I'm gonna be here for the whole month of July, from July 9th to August 9th. I'm gonna be in New York pretty much because this is where I really want to live. I'm gonna be doing like sort of a test run slash networking sort of trip for me. I'm a fashion designer, if you did not know already. This is like a mecca for fashion design and other creatives that are in the same realm as me, and I really just want to grow my community, build relationships, friendships with other people that are creatives in this space, whether that be stylists, photographers, models, other designers, you know, things like that. But I just want to let you guys know why we're here. Today I'm going to just do a small little pack with me slash prep that I'm doing for this move. I was gonna do a breakdown of all the clothes that I'm taking. It's too many clothes, so I'm not gonna be doing that, though. Just take my word for it, there are several piles of clothes surrounding me currently, and I'm only gonna be taking a full suitcase, like a full regular sized one, and then a small one, like a carry-on. But I'm really just gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I bought today for storage and for bringing things, and then I'm just gonna show you guys me putting all of my clothes and things in these suitcases. I have several shoes. I think I have this rolling cart thing that I'm gonna put all my shoes in so that I don't have to worry about them getting like too smushed or anything. But let's jump into this haul really fast and then we'll go from there. So let's just firstly start with this large sort of travel bag that I got from Amazon. I purchased this because right back here I have my surgery machine, and then I also have my home sewing machine back there. I did end up thrifting a bag for my home sewing machine. This is the one that I thrifted for my home sewing machine. I did make sure that it was wide enough, and then it has like a sturdy base in the bottom of it as well, so it's just large enough and has some pockets for me to put my machine in there, put like my everyday items like my pens and my scissors and things in here. But I also have like a couple crates that I got today that I can put those sewing notions in as well. This was $5.99 from Savers, literally just like an office bag. And I'm gonna put my sewing machine in this. I did also buy this bag. I'll show you guys. This is gonna be carrying my toiletries and some other everyday things that I use. It's really cute. I'm excited to have it for like after this as well, because I love stuff that's this print. Once you see my suitcase, it's literally this same sort of like old grandma brocade woven looking print, which is really cute. I sprayed it down with some Lysol, and this was $7.20. So yeah, it has a decent amount of space in it for me to put more things in. And the stuff that I got today from Dollar Tree first. I went to Dollar Tree and Ross. Those are the two places I went today. First, I got this little like caddy situation for my shower stuff. I'm gonna be living there with 2 other people, so I don't want to have like my stuff all over the place. I'm gonna just put the stuff that I need for the shower in here so that I can just carry it into the bathroom and carry it back in my room when I'm done with it. I got this little brush and comb because me and my fiance share mostly the brush that's here, and I don't really want to take it, one, because my hair will likely be like this majority of the time, but if I do decide I want to slick it back, I don't need to take the brush from home. So I got a little cute small one, and then I got this comb as well in case I need to part my hair for anything. I got a bar of Dove soap. This is the only soap that I use because everything else breaks me out. So this is the original Dove soap. I can use a sensitive one, I just don't typically. I like the smell of this one better. I got an eye mask, and I know what you're thinking, Janelle, what could you possibly need an eye mask for? I'm a sleepwalker, and I sleepwalk in my bedroom right now, and I'm kind of nervous that like being in a new space, it might trigger my sleepwalking a bit more than usual. Mostly what triggers my sleepwalking is like me seeing forms of things and figures in the dark. I'm gonna try this and see if this stops me from sleepwalking. So I got this. This is obviously only $1, but I got some Tide laundry detergent. Then I also got some Gain dryer sheets for when I'm washing my clothes. Luckily this place, this apartment does have washer and dryer in unit, so thank goodness I won't have to go to a was it laundromat. And then lastly, for the small things, I got this little clear storage bag from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use this for fabric. I didn't think about the fact that I literally have fabric. I'm only gonna bring a couple of pieces of like fabric with me there, because I do plan on buying materials there. But I'm gonna bring I have some curtains and tablecloths that I want to make some cool stuff out of. I'm gonna bring those. And then I purchased like 10 yards of these really pretty mesh material from Move Fabrics because they were having a sale. I'm gonna bring that as well. And then I did get this little foldy like bin. I'm gonna just use this for storage for stuff that I have. I may use it for clothes. I may use it for like just other little trinkets. And then I also got this white laundry basket just for me to put my dirty clothes in, so that I'm not gonna get them mixed up or anything. I'm just gonna put them right in here. And then the last thing I got from Dollar Tree, aw, I bent it, dang it, is this tub. It's not a huge tub, it's like a little medium tub. I bought this literally just to carry more of my sewing stuff in, but literally I left it in there and now it's bent, so hopefully that straightens out. I went in Ross. I only got one thing from Ross. It was this 4-piece sheet set. It was only $12.99. It was only $12.99. The bed that I'll be sleeping in is a twin size bed, which is perfectly fine. I just got this with like little blue bows on it. Nothing too spectacular, honestly. It just has the pillowcases, the sheet in it, and then the cover sheet. And then I'll probably bring one of our throw covers just to sleep under, but I got these as well. And that was all the stuff that I really felt like I needed that I didn't already have, so I made sure to buy all those small things. I'm gonna get all of these clothes into this suitcase now. This is my suitcase. It's quite big, but these are all of the piles of clothes that are around me. So we're gonna get that stuff packed in there right now. Honestly, that's everything I purchased in this sort of prep with me or get ready with me to move haul. I'm gonna get everything packed up right now, and then I'll see you guys next Friday for my first official vlog in New York. I'm so excited. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and also on my TikTok. I'll be doing a lot of content on both of those. Everything is linked in the description, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.